The scientific name of oats is Avena sativa. Oats are a cereal grain traditionally used as animal feed, but are highly valued in human diets for their rich content of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and soluble fibers. Due to their large, dense structure, whole oats take longer to cook, making processed forms like oat flakes or oatmeal more popular. The soluble fiber beta-glucan found in oats is particularly renowned for its health benefits, including improving heart health and supporting digestion. Oats are a balanced source of carbohydrates and proteins, containing essential amino acids, unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. A serving of 78 grams of oats provides manganese, 63.91% of the daily value, DV, magnesium, 13.3% of the DV, iron, 9.4% of the DV, phosphorus, 13.3% of the DV, zinc, 13.4% of the DV, folate, 3.24% of the DV. Oats also contain significant amounts of B vitamins, B1, B3, B5, B6, calcium, potassium, dietary fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Medical benefits of oats: reduces blood cholesterol levels. The beta-glucan in oats binds to bile acids, promoting their excretion and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol levels. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regulates blood glucose levels. Oats soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, slowing glucose absorption and improving insulin sensitivity. This is beneficial for diabetes management and prevention. Supports heart health. The antioxidant avenanthramides in oats prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol and improve arterial function, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and hypertension. Promotes satiety and weight management. Oats' high fiber content delays gastric emptying, inducing a prolonged feeling of fullness and reducing caloric intake. This aids in healthy weight management. Improves digestive health. The soluble and insoluble fibers in oats promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support gut microbiota health. Prevents childhood asthma. Early introduction of oats in children's diets has been associated with a reduced risk of developing childhood asthma. Oats are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy release. They are ideal for individuals requiring prolonged physical or mental endurance. Supports skin health. Oat-based products are effective in alleviating symptoms of skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis by reducing itching and inflammation. Oatmeal, a nutritional powerhouse. Oatmeal, derived from processed oats, contains a higher concentration of vitamins, minerals, and beta-glucan. It is especially effective in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, supporting gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, enhancing satiety, which helps in weight loss. How to consume oats. Oats can be cooked with milk or water and enhanced with natural sweeteners like honey. For additional flavor and nutritional benefits, you can top oats with fruits, nuts, seeds, or spices like cinnamon. Frequently asked questions about oats. Can oats be consumed daily? Yes, regular consumption of oats supports metabolism, aids in weight management, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. What is the healthiest way to eat oats? Combine oats with fresh fruits, yogurt, or milk for a nutrient-dense meal that supports energy and overall health. How much oatmeal should one eat daily? Typically, 1/2 to 1 cup of oats is sufficient to meet dietary fiber needs without overconsumption. Can children consume oatmeal? Yes, oatmeal is a safe and nutritious option for children, supporting their growth and development. Is oatmeal safe during pregnancy? Absolutely. Oatmeal provides essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which are vital during pregnancy. Incorporating oats into your diet can significantly improve overall health and well-being, with proven benefits for the heart, digestion, and energy levels. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey towards better health. It's viewers like you who inspire us to keep creating informative content. Wishing you a healthy, happy, and vibrant life.